Just days before the expected announcement of the Galaxy S23 Fan Edition, almost all its specifications have leaked. Its images were leaked multiple times, and now the phone's hands-on video has appeared online, giving us a closer look at the phone and how it looks in real life. The Samsung Galaxy S23 Fan Edition hands-on video courtesy of Sans 6 surfaced in what appears to be a smartphone store. The phone can be seen in black/gray color, and the frame appears to be metal. The bezels around the video are quite thick compared to modern premium flagships like the OnePlus 11R, Nothing Phone 2, and others. We can see 3 camera rings placed individually on the rear panel and an LED flash. There is also Samsung branding. We see the center-positioned punch-hole cutout for the selfie shooter. The volume rocker and power button are on the right edge, while the SIM tray and secondary microphone are at the top. The speaker vents, USB Type-C port, and microphone are at the bottom. The default wallpaper can also be seen in this leaked hands-on video. The bezels around the screen seem quite thick and are on the lines of the Galaxy A54 that was launched earlier this year. Samsung India has officially started teasing the launch of the Samsung Galaxy S23 FE in India. Rumors suggest the phone might debut around early October. As we wait for the formal announcement, the Fan Edition smartphone has surfaced online in alleged promo videos. The leaked videos offer a glimpse of the design as well as the specifications of the handset. In the video, the Galaxy S23 Fan Edition 5G is seen with a hole punch display design and triple rear cameras. The Galaxy S23 Fan Edition 5G is expected to debut as a toned-down variant of the flagship Galaxy S23. That's it for today. What's your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section. As always, see you in the next video. Peace out.